Good luck.
So the double foxes, the level 9 fox bots got eliminated.
What? That's surprising.
Yeah, I'm upset.
They're called Seagulls?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, getting right into it. I don't know. That's what they told me.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I'm not gonna question it.
Uh-oh. Wait, so, okay, Wisdom's Falcon. Alright. Ooh. I thought Kurt had that. I'm getting greedy with these gimps.
Wow, Atlas coming in with a great back throw.
Jesus!
Nothing.
That was a soul DI.
In other words, not DI.
Nice.
It's worse than not DIing. It's influencing the way you're already going.
Hard to break those habits. Am I right?
What? What kind of Sheik is that? I can't tell. Oh, that's just regular Sheik, right? But just
it's just a red colored Sheik. Yeah.
Oh, a different pattern.
Yeah. Cause I don't like pink Sheik.
Oh. Oh god, I have no idea what's going on. Oh
wow, that's down air forward air, or down tilt forward air.
Oh, here comes the 2-on-1. Oh, never mind.
She's coming back for the down air, which for whatever reason sends you upward. Thanks, Sakurai.
Nice crash down smash. Oh, he's trying to go for the imps.
Dash attack forward air.
Jesus, what happened to? I thought they were even like 20 seconds ago. Wisdom just down to
Were they?
stock now. Yeah.
You sure?
I remember.
It didn't look even to me.
I remember red team had 3 stocks, 0%, and then green team had 3 stocks, but like midway.
And there's still nobody in the chat.
I just didn't input jump.
What a wonderful night this is.
Graduation.
Fuck graduation.
Ooh, okay.
Wow. How did Smashing Grounds get 80 people? We get 14.
Well, Mass scene is bigger than New Hampshire scene.
And wouldn't kill these people to drive up from Massachusetts to here?
It might.
And they would just positively die.
Plus, it's also at the Natick Mall too. That attracts more new people, I guess you could say.
Yeah. Nice waveland down smash.
Oh.
Don doing what he can.
Donny Cash.
Got him.
Donny Cash. It's that there's a euro symbol, which is what he's using. But there's no like, there's no dollar sign in the tag alphabet. You are dead.
Platypus? Yeah. Alright, what do you got that?
I like how they don't understand and you totally got that.
Yeah. Well, excuse me, princess.
Just ban the fucking stages.
What?
Really? Okay. I guess.
Take him to Yoshi's. Make it stupid. Yes. No. Yes. Take them to Yoshi's. Make it stupid. Next season, Yoshi's won't be legal for doubles. Hopefully next season 3.6 will be out, and I can consider other stages, like Castle Siege.
Or
Delfino's Secret.
Or
Clusterfuck.
Bowser's Castle.
Bowser's Castle won't be legal.
Or Mario Sunshine.
I said Delfino's Secret already.
That's what I said, Delphine Secret.
Yeah.
Okay, Wisdom going for Falco and Dawn going for Ganon.
This is only going to end poorly as Wisdom gets up air kills for some fucking reason. Because it's Yoshi's, right?
You mean Alice?
I said Atlas, didn't I?
You said Wisdom. Close. Didn't Fire and Wisdom?
Yeah, they're both short people that play annoying characters, you know.
They're both moves in Zelda series.
No,
I mean,
Don's the one playing. Wisdom's playing Falco,
And Don's Zelda. Ganondorf. Sorry.
Wow.
I'm really tired.
What if Zelda was the evil guy? It's okay. I just don't care.
Uh-oh. Oh, Zelda's saying she doesn't need saving.
She's a powerful, strong prince. No, wow, double fair? Okay.
Whoop.
We're kind of cross-promoting Smashing Grounds right now.
Cross-promoting?
Because I'm an idiot and didn't take off the SG stages from my SD card.
Oh.
Got the little SG logo in the back there.
And Marth's holding the thingy.
Yeah. It's you.
Thanks, Randall.
Oh.
Oh no!
Wow.
Atlas just gave Duff free recovery and died for it.
Did you just cancel my...
Uh-oh, 2v1
okay.
situation.
Falco's so good in 2v1s. Although once he's off stage, he's kind of fucked. But in the neutral game, he's really good. Look at that. Oh, okay. Oh, let's go.
That's it. That's it. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Din's Fire wins in the amazing 17.